Trying to get this meal prep done for the week. My kale garden is kind of, growing all over the place. So I'm going to add that to my juice this week. This week in my juice, I'm going to put lemon, some ginger, honey, the kale, of course, strawberry, peach, pineapple, and some extra strawberries because I love strawberries. Did a little taste test and it's delish. All done. Okay, so oatmeal because I love blueberry oatmeal. Apple slices each day for a snack. Peanut butter jelly sandwiches each day for lunch. Rice and beans for dinner with avocados. I'll saute different veggies each day. Also, I'm defrosting some pasta sauce. So some days I'm gonna have rice and beans. Some days I'm gonna have like my own little spaghetti. Once again, sauteed veggies. Make some pasta. Got the kale juice each day, and I'm only doing 3 apple cider vinegar teas this week. It's hella hot. It's hard for me to drink this tea every day when it's 114 degrees.